Hi there, we're doing good. So here I'm with an update and so the problem here I can see is that Google has discontinued the facility of sending the email on an edit cell. Like whenever you make a change in a cell, they will not send an email to that. So we have to find out an alternate. And for that, what I have done on the code part, I have removed this part on edit. So nothing needed in here. We don't need any on edit trigger or a function in the code part. There are two more, send emails and send emails 5. So there are two on edit as well. So we don't need any of the functions as well. So I have removed all of these. So what you can do, you can control A and control backslash to like disable the code, or you can simply delete the code. So we do not need send email and send email 5. And then I'll give you the code, this one. I'll give you this code, and what you have to do, you have to control A, copy this code, go to the codes, go to the bottom of the next available empty row on the codes, and paste the data code in here, and that is it. So on your system, what you have to do, on the code side, you have to remove this on edit function, disable the send email 5, both of these, and then the code I will provide, you need to paste it under this. Once you are done, you have to go to the, I'll give you another code part, which is code menu. So I don't know, I can see two menus in your file. We do not need the first one. I think you are using the second one. So whatever the code I will provide you, you just need to replace with the code available in the menu gs.gs. Only one is needed. So if there are two, because I cannot access the code part on your file, so you have to do it yourself. So you have to disable one, simply delete it, or just click and delete this part, and then whatever the code menu I'll provide it to you, you just need to replace it on the any of the menu. So two changes. Sorry, let me repeat one thing. On the code part, delete this on edit function. Send email, we do not need any code. Send email 5, we do not need any code. Then I'll provide you a code which you need to paste it under the next available row on the code.gs, and you have to remove one of the menus if you have to. If you have only one, you just need to replace the code which I'll provide it to you, and that is it. Once it's done, you will be able to see the menu like this. So to send an email, you need to activate emailing part code, and please activate it through the account through which you want to send the email. So if I'm using it and my email address is something, if I'll activate it, the email will be sent through my account. And please do not do it through an account which you don't want to send email through. So what it will actually do, it will whenever you will make a change on any of these sheets where the Y column is of your selection, which is this. So whenever you will be making a change in it, what it will do, it will, should I do it? Okay, let's do it. If I'll change this one in here, it will add a row in here, which will be an email to be sent like this. And the other code which you will activate it through the activate emailing, that will send the email. I'll remove it so that you cannot receive the email on that part. So you will be the email will be sent in within 1 minute. So you will be feeling it like, okay, I am making a change in the column Y, and it will send the email. Yeah, that is it. Regarding this mailing tab, I have already added this mailing tab on your main file, which is here, which you don't need to see, and it's empty. And once you will transfer the code in your file, as you can see, I cannot see the code in your file. So once you will be transferring the code, you'll be able to see the activation part, and you need to activate it prior to use it. So that is it from my side. Let me try, I think. All right. So I have transferred all the codes, and I have disabled the code part in your file, because this file belongs to you, so I can access it. But the file with the Arnold access or the ownership, I cannot edit that. So I have made the change, disabled this menu as well, and added my own menu, which is with the activation of the emailing. And I have disabled the email 5 and added the correct code in here. Also, the emailing tab is already there. So now if we will make any changes, this should work. Let me try testing it. So please test it, review it, and then please let me know what are your thoughts on it. And please do let me know any offer, a number, so that I can share you the offer as well. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.